1 minute for you to answer this one. What is the correct answer? Neither Sarah nor Tina blanked the crime yesterday. Witness, witnesses, witnessed, and witnessing. With grammar, just like what I will always tell to my students, nasa sentence lang din ang clue. Okay? May mga sumagot ng A at B. Bakit? May sumagot din ng C. Kasi po, pag nakita nyo po si neither nor, meron pa yung tropa, si either or, may special rule po kasi yan sa grammar. Ano yung special rule? That the subject in the sentence, sige, sulat ko. The subject in the sentence is the one near to the verb. Okay, ulitin ni Coach ha. The subject in the sentence is the one near to the verb. Kasi if I were to ask you, what is the subject here in the sentence? You will say that your subject is Sarah and Tina. Kasi sila yung pinag-uusapan. But in grammar, the rule is you will only take the one near to the subject, okay? Near to the verb. So, dito natin ilalagay yung verb. So, ibig sabihin, ang subject lang natin ay si Tina. Okay? So, ngayon, ang tanong ni Coach, ano si Tina? Is it singular or plural? Okay, is it singular or plural? Ilan si Tina? Isa lang ba siya or more than one? Okay? So, si Tina po ay singular. Very good. So, pag singular, tanggalin na natin yung mga plural. Eliminate na natin siya. You have your witness. Witness and then witnessing. Okay, sige. Okay pa rin yan. So, natanggal natin si witness. Okay? So, ngayon, ang possible answer na lang na pwede ninyong makuha ay si witnesses, witnessed, and witnessing. Okay? However, meron tayong time frame. Okay? May time frame tayo sa pangungusap. Ang time frame natin ay yesterday, which means that the action is already in the past. Tapos na. It's already done. So, dapat ang pipiliin natin ay yung past tense. Okay? So, alin ba dyan yung past tense? Ito, present. Present participle. So, hindi na siya. Si witnesses naman, siya ay present tense. So, hindi rin siya pwede. So, the correct answer here is witnessed with the, witnessed with the, which is a past tense. Pero kung wala dyan yung word na yesterday, kunyari, wala dyan yung word na yesterday, kunyari, neither Sarah nor Tina blank the crime, wala yung word na yesterday, the correct answer will be witnesses. Singular verb. Okay? But since may word na yesterday dyan, ang gagamitin natin ay witness. Okay? So, the correct answer is letter C. Maliwanag po ba? Nakuha? Sige, pa-comment ako ng hashtag pasado sa Agosto Civil Service or CSE.